Hi, this is Matt with RemoteStartMN.com. What I'm going to show you today is a remote start, keyless entry, and security system installed on a 2012 Toyota Camry. And this particular system has a few additional features worth looking at and showing you how everything works. What we've installed is a Viper 5706. This is an LCD screen, rechargeable remote with up to 1 mile in range. As I said, it does have the security features on there, but you can get this version in just remote start if you'd like. Pretty easy to operate this system. It simply has lock, unlock, remote start button dedicated on the side. There's an aux button which is dedicated for a trunk release or another function. And then there's a function button which allows you to select different things that you may want to incorporate into the system. On this one we did windows up, windows down. This also has cellular coverage, so you can start the vehicle from anywhere you have cell coverage from. So it's unlimited distance. Very cool setup. I'll show you just the additional feature here of window roll down. How that would be accomplished would be function, aux. And one kind of cool thing about the windows operating with up or down is obviously in the summer it's really nice to be able to remote start it and lower those windows on an especially hot or humid day. It just allows that hot, stale air to kind of move out of the vehicle before you get into it, and you'll have had the opportunity to have your air conditioning already going. So it is really nice in the summer. As far as convenience feature of up, how that works is all you're going to do is hit the lock button and the windows are going to automatically roll up. This one has a 2-second delay before that happens. That's to allow the vehicle to lock the doors and to arm everything, and then the windows go up from there. I'll show you how that works. Where this is especially handy is let's say you're driving around and you've got your windows down, or a passenger had their window down, and you park the car. You get out and you didn't realize that you had your windows down, or if you just don't want to have to roll them up. Bottom line is you lock it up and the vehicle is going to secure itself. So I've hit the lock button and windows are going to go up, and that's really all there is to that. Now, like I said, this does have a remote start on it. Again, that's a dedicated button. It's very easy to use. Just press the button. You're going to hear that startup tone, and the vehicle is going to start up. Once it does start up, it's going to run for a predetermined amount of time. On this particular remote with the LCD screen, it's going to tell you how long it's been running, or how long it has remaining on the run time. So that's a pretty nice feature to have. While it's running, parking lights are going to be illuminated, and I have this one set up to run for 15 minutes before it automatically shuts itself down. At any time, you could always shut the vehicle down with the remote, and the vehicle's going to shut off. Like I said, all of these operations can really be done from a cell phone as well. I don't know that I'd suggest the window operation from cell phone, because you don't have the opportunity to really see what's going on, but it is possible. I'll go ahead and lower the windows again, and I'm going to unlock everything. And kind of a cool feature about this particular vehicle is the remote, the factory remote that has the key in it, or the transmitter built right into the key. This is actually going to control our system as well. So when you hit lock on this factory key, it arms our alarm. It also arms the factory alarm, and vice versa. When we're using the Viper fob, it's going to arm the factory alarm. So they're seamlessly put together. Another cool thing about the factory key fob is I'll go ahead and use the lock here. And you'll notice that the windows actually do raise with the factory key fob. I don't have a way to lower the windows using the factory key fob, but it's still nice to be able to retain the feature of window up right from the factory remote. So this was a Viper 5706, also known on our website as a Viper 4706 with the added alarm features. If you're interested in such a thing, definitely have a look at our website. It's remotestartmn.com, and you can select your vehicle make, model, year at the top of the website. You'll need to put in your name, email address, and phone number. And what'll happen is it'll change all the pricing for your vehicle instantly onto the website. And then if you were to click on the 4706 or any other model, it'll bring you to a details page where it'll allow you to add options and that kind of thing. So very cool setup here, and I appreciate you having a look. Once again, this is Matt with remotestartmn.com.